Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm gonna show you how to fix if you get the error message YouTube TV is unavailable in this country, right? So if you bump into an error message like YouTube TV is unavailable in this country, this probably means that outside of the United States, and you can only watch YouTube TV if you are in the US. So in this case what you have to do is use a VPN. The one I'm recommending is ExpressVPN because you can get a 30-day free trial with a money-back guarantee. So as you can see, if you are not happy with it, you can get a full refund within 30 days, and all you have to do is just cancel your subscription. So I will link ExpressVPN in the description below. Once you open up this page, just click on Get ExpressVPN here and then select the plan. And don't forget that you have to cancel your subscription in 30 days if you want to get a refund and basically use ExpressVPN for free for 30 days. But once you have ExpressVPN, all you have to do is use it to change your IP address to an American IP address. So in this case, as you can see, I'm using New Jersey, and all you have to do is click on this turn on icon. As you can see, it's currently connecting to this VPN. So now our current location, according to the web browser, is USA, New Jersey. And then all we have to do is go back to YouTube TV, refresh the page. YouTube TV might log us out. So let's see. So I'm pressing F5. So as you can see, we are refreshing the page. And as you can see, now it's loading. Let me pause it. We do not get the error that YouTube TV is unavailable in this country. We are able to watch YouTube TV even if we are outside of the United States. So now this I can fix if you get the error message that YouTube TV is unavailable in this country. And as I mentioned, you can use ExpressVPN for 30 days for free. Use the link in the description below.